ela bateu forte. Ali na Tamburello.
That's a big crash as well, and that's the Sauber of Marcus Ericsson. Red flagged the session. Session suspended. And Paul, there was absolutely nothing he could do. The car just went on under braking, just stepped out from underneath him.
When you have spectacular ones like that, the energy's dissipated over a long distance with all the bits and pieces flying off as well. It's not the sudden stop. They're the ones that really hurt. So whilst it looks spectacular, as long as nothing comes into the cockpit to get you.
Oh my God!
Lights out and away we go here at Spa. Hamilton gets away well, Peores as well, covering his teammate. Hamilton moves over to cover on Sebastian Vettel, and there's locking up in a crash, and Fernando Alonso goes over the top there of Charles Leclerc's Sauber. Also involved Nico Hülkenberg in the Renault. Okay. He got hit from behind by Hülkenberg, didn't he?
Yes, he did. He gets a thump now and spun around and cleared. Look at this mess that's made of the side of that McLaren.
Canada's Robert Wickens. Oh, that's a big tight through there. Oh, early touch. Oh, my God. Oh, that's Robert Wickens. And his teammate is into him as well, James Hinchcliffe. That was ugly. That was frightening. Big impact. Side here. There's Hunter Ray breaking sideways, and look at that. Wickens just climbs over the 28 and up into the fence.
It was a vicious impact. That is the fastest part of the racetrack. You know, you're wide open, two cars contact, and the angle at which they don't.
The view from Zach Beach. That's Simon Pagenaud to the right.
Still there with Sebastian. Simon, still there. Clear. Oh, yeah. Stay low, stay low, stay low.
Great heads-up driving from Beach to stay low.
Oh, Max Verstappen, after a quite impressive day, setting the fastest times in FP1 and FP2, finishes his day into the side of the barriers.
Ha acabado quinto.
Accidentado Gran Premio de Alemania, una carrera que se puso patas arriba desde la salida. En la primera curva el Williams de Felipe Massa chocaba con el McLaren de Magnussen y daba una vuelta de campana. El trazado daría algún que otro susto. El Sauber de Sutil hacía trompo en la última curva y se quedaba peligrosamente parado en mitad de la pista. Un gran premio de emociones fuertes como el toro roso ardiendo del ruso Kvyat, que no podía ocultar su enfado.
And here's a look at what happened.
He dropped it on the exit of bridge. He was well through the corner, so and then rolls over the rollover bar, digs into the gravel trap. He was walking away after this incident. We know he's okay. This is a replay. Jarno Trulli then with a sizable accident on the exit of the terrifying bridge corner.
Questo passaggio, quindi riuscito a scavalcare Brajnik. C'è un bruttissimo contatto con
molto brutto con Beni.
Only 7.5 minutes plus 1 lap left.
Oh my! Huge accident, a huge off. Ryan Dieter had spun, Piquet is involved, there was another car that's airborne as well. To the circuit, Joel Eriksson gets through, and then way up on the curb, Peter Lee into the back, a complete corkscrew, he crash lands. Pedro Piquet goes under.
ところでした。この先右なんですが、前から行って右後ろも当たってということになりまして、非常にハイスピードの